Hello students, good morning. Class 9 RBSE and CBSE. This class is for the students who belong to English medium schools. Your topic is on progress and the topic is narration. And in narration, imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means the sentence is in them any order, any permission, any request are expressed. These sentences are known or called as imperative sentence. Dear students, I will talk a little also in Hindi because you feel disturbance while listening completely in English. थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बात करते हैं. ये imperative sentence है आदेशात्मक वाक्य जिनमें कोई आदेश दिया जाता है, आज्ञा दी जाती है, ली जाती है, रिक्वेस्ट किया जाता है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये सेंटेंस आरएस में एमबी फर्स्ट से प्रारंभ होते हैं. इन रिपोर्टेड स्पीच द सेंटेंस इज बिगिंस विद द फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब और डोंट प्लस एमबी फर्स्ट or please kindly or let's. Dear students, you have to mind it, if RS clause begins with the first form of the main verb, then apply connector here too. We write or change RB clause at first. Then we apply connector, but in imperative sentences we will apply connector too. And then we will write something. What something? We will write the first form of the main verb. First form of the main verb, but not two. First form of the main verb and first form of the main verb. In RB, we change said or said to into ordered, advised, requested, requested. Dear students, this is your format. यदि आपको आरएस में कोई भी ऐसा सेंटेंस आता है जिसमें कोई प्रार्थना की जाती है, मैं हिंदी बात करूंगा थोड़ा सा, एक दो बच्चों के प्रॉब्लम्स आए थे सर हिंदी में थोड़ा सा समझा दिया करो, बिकॉज वी ऑल बिलोंग टू रूरल एरियाज. तो जो एनवायरमेंट होता है इंग्लिश का वो थोड़ा सा नहीं मिल पा रहा है. बट डोंट वरी माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हेन यू विल लिसन यू विल टेक एवरीथिंग बिकॉज लैंग्वेज इज द मैटर ऑफ लिसनिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you should not learn how to speak English, but first of all you have to learn how to listen English. सुनते कैसे? देखिए, प्लीज लुक एट द ब्लैक बोर्ड. He said shoot the teacher. This is the first form of the main verb. Shoot the teacher means The person who is not a patriot, the person who cheats one's country, जो व्यक्ति देश को धोखा देता है, देशद्रोही, ट्रेटर, shoot the traitor, देशद्रोही को गोली मार दो. You will change he and sad will change into ordered. Then you will write here two preposition. Mind, my dear students. If RS clause begins with the first form of the main verb, then you will change sad or sad to into ordered or advised. Apply connector to. Then the first form of the main verb means shoot. Then the traitor. This is your indirect speech, direct and indirect. Next, direct. My father said to me, don't play shun. Don't play shun. Indirect. My father. Dear students, here RS clause begins with don't, and you see, if RS clause begins with don't, here you will write ordered or advised. You will write ordered or advised. My father said to will be changed into ordered. You can write also here advised, but mind it, your father has the right to order you, so you can write here order or advise. My father ordered me. Apply connector to, but before to you will write here not, so you will write here not to. Remove don't. Play the first form. In shun means in shun. Shun, not the shun. Not the shun. Dear students, I will speak in Hindi a little. Shun means होता है धूप और दिशन means होता है सूर्य. Okay? In shun. Second sentence, third sentence is direct. He said to me, please help me. Dear students, here the sentence begins with please. The sentence begins with please. So you will write here in indirect speech, he said to will be changed into requested. Look at the blackboard. Here RS clause begins with please. Here is please. You will change said to into requested, and object is me. Connector will be to. Remove please. Help, and here is me. Me is the object, and here me is the first person. Will be changed according to the subject, and subject here is he, and you will write him to help him. Okay, and the last example is the beggar said. Beggar means the person who begged. Said to me, let me stay here. Let me stay here. You will write the beggar said to. RS clause begins with let. Let. Apply connector to, and you will change it into requested. So the beggar requested me. Connector is to right leg. We will not remove leg from reported speech. Why? Because leg is itself the first form of the main verb, and we never remove the first form of the main verb from any reported speech. We write the first form of the main verb after two prepositions. To leg means the object, first person will be changed according to the subject. You will write here him, stay, and here will be changed into there. THER. Okay, dear friends, these are your sentences. Mind it, my dear friends. Some more sentence is here. Please look at the blackboard. He said to me, don't stay here. RS clause begins with don't. He said to will be changed into ordered. Object is me. Connector not to, remove don't. Stay here is changed into there. You can change this sentence also like the way he forbade me. You will not write here not. You will write only to. Stay there. Why? Why we have applied here only to? Because forbade is also a negative word. So we will not write double negative word in a sentence. Okay, dear students, this is your topic. Your topic narration has been completed in this class. You can copy the sentences or you can learn the sentences. If any problem persists, my dear students, you can call me or you can send me a message. Okay, with these words I finish my class. I wish you are preparing, you are studying at your home very well. Okay, thanks a lot.